Do you want to create an adorable 3D video like this? A laughing baby, sledding cats, and a sparkling world, all made with artificial intelligence. Step 1. Use Ledonra and type in a description of the character you want to create. For example, cute 3D baby, smiling, holding kittens sledding, warm light, 3D cartoon style. In just a few seconds, the AI will create a stunning image for you. Step 2. Use Runway and select the Video Gen tool. Upload the image from Ledonra, then enter the description. Baby gently moves hands, kitten sled joyfully in snow. Runway will turn your still image into a realistic moving video. Step 3. Use CapCut to edit the video. Add falling snow, light reflections, and warm background music. You can also add a voiceover or text to make the video more lively. And that's it. You've got an incredibly adorable 3D AI video in just a few steps. Follow the channel for more exciting AI video creation tutorials.